Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout, and I'm going to put my background is Basil cardstock, and then I use some layers, and this is the December kit. I got 10 layouts. This is layout number 5, and I ended up getting 10 layouts total with this kit, and I had I think 3 full sheets of 12 by 12 pattern paper left, and of course the cardstock, and then some scraps. But I did 10 layouts with this kit, and I was ready to move on to the January kit. So I put the papers in a drawer where I keep my winter and fall products left over, so I can take them out and use them next year, or I should say the next fall. So this is a picture of my fireplace. I was watching Christmas shows, or my shows probably too, my Chicago shows and TV shows that I like to watch, and I had put up the Christmas trees and put the lighted garland on the mantle, and so with them, and then started a fire in the fireplace for the first time. Never had a fireplace before. So the chipboard stickers, I tend to take the back, peel some of the layers off, and so it's not so bulky, especially if you're layering chipboard on chipboard, as I am doing. And I was excited to scrapbook this picture because there was a fireplace die cut. Oh, there's Sabrina making her appearance. So I'm going to go ahead and put down those, and then I'm going to try to figure out how to layer the die cuts, or where to put them. Trying to figure out how to make the socks work. And once I do this, I do some ink splatters, and then that pretty much ends the the layout. And of course there's Theo making an appearance now. And I just used the die cut as my title, Tea and Fuzzy Socks. And that is it. And I'm just saying, can I add anything? Yep, I can. Ink splatters. Anyway, so once that's done, that's all I do. So thanks for watching. Bye.